Good morning children, welcome to Max online class. How are you? I hope you all are fine and good. Okay. So yesterday we completed the second chapter Nana. So today I am going to do this chapter revision. Okay. Are you ready children? All of you open page number 33 in your textbook Nana. Open page number 33 in your textbook. They are given A Roman, choose the correct option Nana. And B Roman, choose the correct operation plus or minus. C Roman, state whether the following are true or false. So these three Romans we will do in textbook only Nana. Need not to write in classwork. Okay ma? So that you open the textbook and listen carefully. First one, chapter revision. Chapter revision. A, choose the correct option. First question, what should be added? You don't write this one Nana, just open the textbook and just you choose the correct option. What should be added to 11,29,301 to get 25,583. Okay, option 13,51,222, 13,71,282, C 13,78,282, D 12,11,279. So this is the first question Nana. You can't see the board ma? Just wait. Okay. See ma, what should be added to this number to get this? So first you subtract this number from this number, then we can get the answer. So 25,583 minus 11,29,301. This one we will do in rough book. Then we get the answer 3 minus 1, 2, 8, 5 minus 3, 2, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. So 13,71,282. So the correct option is B. All of you put the tick mark B. Then you will get one doubt Nana. What should be added to this number to get this? Added means why ma'am done with subtraction? That's your doubt. See ma, which number you should add to 5 to get 9? We simply subtract this number. 9 minus 5 is 4. So that if you add these two numbers, then we can get this number. Okay ma? So how do we get this number? By subtracting 5 from 9. Okay. So like this we will do the subtraction. Next, second one. Second option, second question. 51,69,000 minus 0 equal to 51,69,000, B 1, C 0, D 51,68,999. See children, if 0 is subtracted from any number, number minus 0, 0 means nothing. So you will get the same number. Where is the same number? Yes, it is in A, 51,69,000. So you put the tick mark for A. Now number 3. What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from 26,10,000 to get 19,47,385. So answer 6,20,000. B. 6,37,615. C. 6,62,615. D. 6,30,204. Okay, ma? So what should be subtracted from this number? That is 10,000, Nana. 26 lakh 10,000 is not 6. Okay, ma? So what should be subtracted from that number to get this number? Okay. Now see 26 lakh 10,000 minus, if you subtract the 19 lakh 47,385, then we can get the answer. This is 0. So take borrow from this 1. So this number become 10, 9, 9, 9, 0. So 5, 1, 6, 2, and again borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6, 15 minus 9 is 6, and this is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So its answer is 6,62,615. So this is the answer. Okay, ma? What should be subtracted? So this number you have to find to get this number. So we'll simply write like this: 2,60,000 minus dash, we'll get 19 lakh 26, Nana. 26 lakh 10,000, 19 lakh 47,385. We want to get this number by subtracting this from this. Okay, Nana? So which number should be subtracted from 26 lakh 10,000 to get 19 lakh 47,385 means you subtract this number from this. So this 19 lakh 47,385 subtracted from 26 lakh, then we can get that answer. So this number is 6,62,615. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you? Now come on, tick, all of you tick in your textbook. Okay? Now fourth one. Fourth one, by how much is 15? They are given in word form, Nana. 15 lakh 46,000 46,000. Sima? Look at the board, children. Just wait, ma. Okay, by how much is 15 lakh 46,000? 46,824 greater than 12 lakh 18,000 452. Answer 3,28,372, 4,56,783, 2,07,000. D 90,000. Now we find the answer. They are given by how much is 15,46,824. 15,46,824 is greater than 12,18,452. They are given word form, Nana. So that first you note down First you write in the numeral form, after you do the subtraction. So 15,46,824, 12,18,452. Okay, Nana? This one is greater. How much is greater? How do you get this answer? Yes, by doing subtraction. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 5 not possible, take borrow, 12. 8 before 7. 5 to 12 we get 7. 4 to 7, 3. 8 is greater, so again you take borrow. This number becomes 16 and 4 become 3. Now 8 to 16. 8, 1 to 3 is 2. 2 to 5, 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 3,28,332. This is the correct option. Okay, ma? Okay, 3,28,372. Okay, ma? Next, fifth one. Fifth question. A company pays 72,45,506 as salaries for its employees in 1 month and pays 10,68,297 towards electricity bill, bills and other expenses. What is the total expenditure? What is the total expenditure of the company for 1 month? A 98,14,583, B 83,30,803, C 87,13,503, D 9 lakh sorry 9,240,250. So these are the options that are given in the problem. So first you read again. A company pays 72,45,506 salaries for its employees and 10,68,297 electricity bills. Now we find the total amount they spent for, what is the total expenditure of the company for 1 month. Total means we do addition. 6 plus 7, 13, 1 plus 9, 10, 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 3, 8. So 83,13,803. So this is the correct option, B. Okay, ma? So if they are given the question in the word form, just you take the numbers in rough book and you have to operate whether it is plus or minus or into. Okay, ma? So do this in rough book and choose the correct option. Okay? Now second one, B. Second Roman B. Choose the correct operation. Can I rub this one, children? Now B. Choose the correct option. Correct operation plus minus and fill the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay, see this first one, Nana. Here we will keep plus or minus, ma. How many digits are there here? 3, 5, 7. 7. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 digit numbers. Here 44 lakh, 15 lakh. Okay, so which operation we used here to get that 5, 10 lakhs? 10 lakhs place is 5. So if you take 4 plus 1, then only you will get 5, no, Nana? So it is plus. Do you understand? So if you add two numbers, we get the sum which is greater than the two numbers, isn't it? So the sum is always greater than the given two numbers, isn't it? So here 4 plus 1, only you will get 5. So here we select the operation plus. Now we will do this operation here. Then we can get the remaining digits. 0, 9, 14, 8, 9, 0, 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 59 lakh 9,419. Already 5 is given on a 50. So we will write 9. 59 lakh 9,400. 4 missing here. 490. So like this we will complete the missing numbers. Now second option. $80 lakh 63, 58 lakh 60,459. It is 23904. So it's a 7 digit, here is also 7 digit, it is also 7 digit number, Nana. Now you look at the 10 lakhs place, here 8 10 lakhs, here 5, but in the 10 lakhs place 2. So if you add 8 and 5, we will get the more number, but here only less number, 2. That means here we should do these two numbers subtraction, isn't it? So we will keep minus. Okay, ma? Why we select minus? If you add these two numbers, 8 plus 5, 13 comes. But here only 2 is given in the 10 lakhs. So it is subtraction. Now you do the subtraction, then we can get the missing numbers. So 9 is greater than 3. So take borrow 13, 6 become 5, 9 to 13, 4. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 is greater than 0. So from this number you take borrow 10, 9, 9, 9, 7. So 4 to 10 is 6. This is 9. 6 to 9, 3. 8 to 9, 1. 5 to 7, 2. So 21 lakh 39,604. Here 2 is in 10 lakhs place. Now 1 is missing. 21 lakh 39,604. Hundreds place 6. Okay, ma? So 21 lakh 39,604. Now third one. Third one, Seema. 7 crore 50 lakh 42,293. Here I will keep box. So 5 crore 20 lakh 26,694. equal to okay. See ma here 7 crore, here 5 crore, here 2 crores. Okay ma? So 7 plus, if you keep place 7 plus 5, 12, but here the number is given only 2. That means these two numbers we should do subtraction. So 7 minus 5 gives the answer 2. So that you do the subtraction, then we can get the missing numbers. So 4 is greater than 3. So take borrow 13, 8. 4 to 13 is 9. 9 is greater than 8. Again take borrow 18. 2 becomes 1. 9 to 18 is 9. 6 is greater than 1. So take borrow 11. 2 becomes 1. 6 to 11 is 5. 6 is greater than 1. So take borrow 11. 4 becomes 3. 6 to 11 is 5. 2 to 3 is 1. 0. 2 to 5, 3. 5 to 7, 2. So answer is 2 crore 30 lakh 15,599. So here 2 okay. 3. 10 lakhs place. 15,599. Finish. So the missing numbers are 3, 5, 9. 2 crore 30 lakh 15,599. Okay children? Come on, all of you keep plus, minus, minus here in your textbook. Now last problem in this Roman. Fourth one. 3 crore 35 lakh 62,200. 2 crore 14 lakh 89,763. 5-051 -63. Okay. So which operation here we use? Come on, observe. 3 crores, 2 crores. Answer is 5 crores. Yes, very good. If you add 3 plus 2, then only we get the 5 crores. Come on, do this operation. One number down, other number arrange. 3, 6, 9, 11, 15, 10, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 crore, 50 lakh, 50. So here 5, comma, 50 lakh, comma. Next 51,000, comma, 963. Missing number is 9. 963. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you, Nana, how to do? So which operation we have to select? First you see the highest place. If you add that numbers, then we can get the sum is greater than these two numbers. Okay? So if you subtract these two numbers, then we can get the less number as a difference. The 2 points you keep in your mind. So if you add two numbers, you get more number or less number? Come on, tell me. 2 plus 3, how much? 5. 5 is greater than of 2 and 3, no, Nana. So that is the key point you have to keep in your mind. So if you add two numbers, we get the result more. So here 4, here 1. So we'll get 5 means we should do addition. So like that you have to estimate and keep the operation. Okay, ma? And now state whether the following are true or false. See Roman. Can I rub this one, children? State whether the following are true or false. True or false. Okay, first question. 0 added to any number gives 0 as sum. See, is this correct statement, Nana? If you add 0 added to any number, let us take one number 8. If you add 0 to this number, it gives the 0 as sum. No, we get the same number as the sum. This is the sum, but if we are not get the 0, we get the same number only. So this statement is wrong. So we will write false. If you add 0 to any number, we get the same number, but here they are given gives 0 as sum. It's not gives the sum 0. Okay, ma? Second one. We can subtract numbers in any order and the difference will be the same. So this is the second one, Nana. We can subtract the numbers in any order. Suppose let us take 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. If you change the order, 2 minus 8 is not equal to 6. It is minus 6, Nana. Both are same, Nana. Is the difference same? No. So this is false. Okay, ma? Next one. Third one. Any number subtracted from itself will give 0 as the difference. It is true or false? Let us take one example. Any number, take 8, subtracted from itself. 8 minus 8 will give 0 as the difference. Yes, 8 minus 8 is 0. So this statement is correct, true. Okay, ma? Now, fourth one. To find the total of two numbers, we should add. Total means add only, no, Nana. So this statement is correct. All of you keep true. Okay, next fifth one. When we add 1 to any number, the obtained sum is the next number. See, Nana, if you add 1 to any number, let us take 9. If you add 1 to this number, we will get next number only. The sum obtained. That means after the addition, this is called sum. The sum is the next number of this 9, isn't it? So 9 plus 1, 10. If you add 1 to any number, we get the next number of the given number. Yes, this statement is true. Is it clear to you, children? See, ma, when we add 1 to any number, the obtained sum is the next number. Let us take 10. 10 plus 1, 11. The sum is the next number of the 10. 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 12 after 13. 10 after 11. Next 13 plus 1, 14. Yes, 13 after 14. So if you add 1 to any number, the obtained sum is the next number. Yes, this statement is correct. Okay, ma? So my dear children, this is the chapter revision and we completed 3 Romans, Nana. A, B, C in page number 33. So you have to complete that page number 33 in your textbook only. So tomorrow we will do these sums. We will do these sums in the classwork. Okay, ma? D, E, F. Page number 34 sums we do in classwork, Nana. So bye children, take care of yourself, Nana.